Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're mastering Python strings. Let's start with how we actually define them. In Python, strings are surrounded by single or double quotes. Both are identical. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello with single quotation is the same as hello with double quotation. You can display a string literal with the print function. You can use quotes inside a string as long as they don't match the quotes surrounding the string. For example, print, it's all right. Print, he is called Johnny. Print, he is called Johnny. Now let's see how to store these strings in variables. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and then the string. Assigning a string to a variable makes it easy to manage throughout your project. But what if your text is really long? That's where multi-line strings come in. Using triple quotes allows you to spread your string across multiple lines effortlessly. Since strings are like arrays, we can iterate through them character by character. A simple for loop lets us process every single letter in our string. Finally, let's learn how to check if a specific word exists inside our text. The in keyword is a powerful way to search strings and returns true or false. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm and check if Python is in I Love Python Programming. I'll wait exactly 10 seconds while you solve it. I will wait for you. Go ahead. Time's up. Here is the clean solution. We simply use the in keyword to verify the presence. Great work. Watch our next chapter on slicing strings and practice previous lessons at home. Join and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your feedback. Goodbye.